Hi, welcome back to part 3. Now we're actually going to get into kind of seeing all the different modes of its performance tip and spinning in the white mode and then spinning in left mode. So I believe it is up in white spin mode. At least I hope it is. Well, we'll find out. Because I didn't really, I just was like, select the base gather, turn it. Let's go ahead and do it because the video in part 2 is going to end. So, yay. So, yeah, it's in white spin mode. So, we're going to use the left-right launcher in white spin mode. And then we're going to see which launcher works best and in which mode. So, white spin mode, defense tip. Okay, I guess. So white spin mode, defense tip, was, the standard left-right bay launcher. A little bit more starting power with this launcher. Okay. Again, white spin mode, still in the defense tip. We're going to use super grip launcher. Well, that's super non-launch. Okay, again. Wow, it wants to pull a 3 on us with Fenrir. Don't know why. There we go. Now it sounded like it had a much powerful launch. When you could hear that go boom, boom, boom sound. But I just didn't feel it with this one for some odd reason. And we're going to try with the sword launcher, which I really don't want to use the sword launcher because little thing on the Hasbro ones here, the cod gear on the inside of the launcher, the teeth actually breaks off. Not only does it break off, that cod broke in half on the first one. So this is my second replacement one. On Seed Escalius, the Target exclusive one that came with the sword launcher. So I kind of want to use this one, but for you out there who's watching this video, I will use it. Same setup, didn't change anything. Now it actually felt pretty good launching it with this one. So I didn't actually notice anything that really changed. I would have to say the best one is to use sword launcher, white spin defense mode. Which, I don't know if you can see that, but it does get really dirty. So let's change the performance tip to attack mode. Still white spin, attack mode. And we're going to do our launchers in order again. Super powerful launch. That one. As you can tell, it is going more in an attack mode pattern here. We're going to try with this one. There we go. About the same. Maybe a little bit more attack mode pattern-ish. And let's try with this one, if it will work this time. Oh yeah, this one, attack mode, you want to use this one. So far. And let's use this one. So here's the odd thing. In the white spin in defense mode tip, sword launcher is the best launcher. In white spin attack mode tip, super grip launcher gives it the best thing. So now let's change it out to the stamina tip. So still white spin stamina tip mode. Actually, I want to do that one over again because that one jumped around way too much. Stammer mode, which, you know, the left-right launcher. I know it was called something else, but left-right launcher for now. Not too bad, not too bad. Let's try with standard launcher. Standard launcher. I mean, it looks like it's doing a good stamina job. And you can kind of hear it grinding against the base stadium. But, just doesn't feel that great of a launch. But apparently it is doing a great job in stamina mode with that one. So let's move on to the next launcher here. And I don't know why, but this launcher on camera always gets stuck. Every time I'm doing a Bay video, this launcher just is a little camera shy. Off camera, it works wonderful. Come on. What was me here? Yeah. Don't know why this one doesn't really want to work with me here, but come on. No, I think that's the weakest one. Now this one seems pretty strong, so probably anyone between these three once in white spin stamina mode. Now it looked like I was spinning pretty good in stamina mode with this launcher, but this one I could definitely tell is spinning a whole lot better in stamina mode with the sword launcher. So sword launcher 2 times 1 better. I believe it was it defense mode that it was in? And stamina mode it was in. Tap mode didn't really work. So, I don't know. Kind of hard to remember. So many different combinations and stuff. So, let's take it apart. Let's flip this one back into... Come on. Rotate to defense mode. And we're going to change this into left spin. So let me just grab one of the tools here. Actually, this tool doesn't really want to grip on there. Don't know why, but the whipcord one just loves it. Which is kind of the opposite on this one. So, yeah. So now it's locked into left spin mode. So let me put all these things into left spins. Get this all pieced back together again. I don't know, the way how the time's running, this might actually be a 4-part Bay video. Don't really want to do a 4-part Bay video. But obviously, you know, you want to know which mode, left mode, white spin mode, which, you know, ones will be great. And this thing locked in. Huh. Seems like it doesn't want to acknowledge yourself there to lock in. There we go. Okay, so let's spin. Did I put it in? No, I put it in white spin mode. Dang it. Let me turn it around and flip it to left spin. And thought I had it in left spin, but it didn't lock in place. Okay, so now left spin. You know what? Left spin mode doesn't want to lock in place, so the gimmick kind of seems broken on this one. Huh. Which is weird. Maybe this blade can now only spin white. Because every time I keep putting this blade together... Let's see. Now that's white spin. What the hell is wrong with this stupid blade? Every time I put it and locked it for less spin, it wants to come undone as soon as you pop it into the parts together. So it looks like this might actually be a 4-parter. Finally, the freaking thing locked in place. I mean, you locked it in place with the key, but as soon as it touches the force disc, it comes unlocked. Yikes, what a nightmare. Anyway, let's spin the fence tip. Kind of weak sauce. You know, actually that is super weak sauce right there. Okay. Yep. Knits. Oh, well, that's just pathetic right there. Okay, looks like the sword launcher is going to be the best one, although, yeah, I really think putting it in white spin mode would be best.